Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today, I will show you how to bind years and months to drop-down list using ASP.NET. We will resume do this using our previous project. Login project. Open login project and start the project. Enter the email and password for previous account. You will see only the welcome message and username label. In home form, we will create drop-down list to bind months and drop-down list to bind years. Let's start. Got to home form, the design form. From toolbox, add text label. Between div tag, add text as bind months and add drop-down list. Run the project again, and you will see bind months and drop-down list beside it, but it's empty. Now we will write code to bind the drop-down list. Inside page load, we will write if ispospec code. Inside if ispospec code, we will write dd month bind. This mean when the page start. The dd month bind code will run. Now write code in dd month bind by type private void dd month bind. Declare months with date time format info equals new date time format info. Then declare I data type as integer and put I equals 1, I less than 13, and I ++. This code get the 12 months. Open curly brackets and use list item code to add the 12 months in the drop-down list. Downlist1.text equals datetime.now to string. Inside brackets, but MMM. Now run the project again. You will see the month's name are bind inside the drop-down list. Now, we will do the same to bind years. Copy the same div tags we created for bind months and paste it at the end. Change the label text to bind years. Go to code page. Inside is post back code. Write dd years bind. Declare dd years bind by write private void dd years bind. Open curly brackets. Then declare years as integer equals datetime.now.year. Then declare x as integer equals years minus 3. This will get 3 years before the current year. And years larger than or equal 3. This will get 3 years after the current year. Then put x++. Then open curly bracket to add list item in drop-down list. We will write code as list item equals new.list, item open bracket, put x dot to string, then close bracket. Then fill the drop-down list by write dropdownlist2.item.add, open bracket li then close bracket. Then run the project again. You will see the years drop-down list filled by years from 2021 to 2025, and the selected value is 2021. This explaining code x equals years minus 3. This means add 3 years before the current year. And x larger than or equal +1 means add 1 year after the current year. If we change number 1 to 3, this means add 3 years after the current year. Run the project again. You see years' drop-down list is filled from 2021 to 2027. But the selected value is 2021, not the current year. To make the selected value current year, Go to code page and write at the end of for curly bracket. DropDownList 2.items.find by text open bracket years to string selected equals true. Run the program again. Now the drop-down list selected with the current year 2024. This is the end of this video. See you next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.